Jadi lihat ya. Saya besarkan dulu. Yap. Proximomedial gluteofemoral region. Ya. Muscle system. If you cut the medial part, ya, and you cut the skin, ya, you can find the structure like this. Okay. First, you must identify where is patella location and calcis tubercalcis location. First, yeah, this is area of the patella. So, okay. Okay, this is, yeah, you should now coccyx. Okay. Yes. Why? Yeah. Coccyx. And then femur. Femur. So, this is patella. Yeah. So, the structure in here, you know, located at the dorsal side. Okay. And sebaliknya, plantar. Ya, this is the indikator. Titik orientasi, ya. Titik orientasi, point oriented for to take where is dorsal side and where is plantar side. Okay, we continue. Yeah. First, you show gracilis muscle. Yeah, gracilis, both flat muscle, flat. Yeah, lying superficially on the medial side. Please remember, superficially but medial side. Be careful. So if this the leg, yeah, this the leg, this is lateral side, and this is medial side. Okay, you understand? Yeah, just like this. This is leg, dexter, sinister, like this. So if you read this, superficialis on the caudal portion. So it means in here, in plantar side. Okay, in plantar side. Origo symphysis pubis, symphysis pelvis. Yeah, symphysis pelvis. And then insertio ligamentum patellaris medial. Ligamentum patellaris medial. Ya. Tibia, this is tibia. Ya, tibia, proximal of tibia in here. Fascia cruralis, crural fascia, and fascia surrounding the tendons of the gastrocnemius. This is gastrocnemius. Ya, gastrocnemius. Action, adduct the limb. Adduct, it means track to, ya, in median body, ya, mendekatkan ke posisi tubuh, ya. Flex the limb, flex the stifle joint and extend the hook joint, ya, extend the hook joint. This is, ya, gracilis. Ya, this is gracilis. Look like this. Be careful. Ya, this is crural fascia.
Lagi kepada para koordinator, ini mungkin tidak banyak yang hadir, jadi setelah ini monggo para koordinator membentuk grup meeting sendiri, koordinasinya masing-masing.
Crural fascia, and this is lata fascia. Okay, this is tensor fascia lata. Ya, tensor fascia lata. Tensor fascia lata round. Okay, attached to lateral, craniolateral, and craniomedial, round. Ya, dia membungkus di sini. But this is gracilis, ya, plantar. Ya, plantar side. And now we look at the sartorius muscle. Ya, musculus sartorius.
Sambil menunggu Pak Sami, mungkin ada yang disampaikan dulu, mungkin sumbangan
Thin, strap-like muscle. Thin, strap-like muscle. But this is ruminant. Ya, this is ruminant. Ya, origonya, origo, di origo, cranial portion, tendo, psoas minor, and fascia iliac. In here. Ya, this is pars cranial. This is pars caudal. Ya, cranial caudal. And you look at this. Ya, you look at this. Interrupted. Ya, interrupted. This is ruminant because saya garis bawahi karena, ya, this is good. This is caudal. This is cranial. Ya. Look at this. Okay, this is sartorius. Why you should know about this? Because in dog, ya, in dog, look at this. This is different. Ya, so first, fascia lata is not found at the medial view of the femoral region. Ya, ya. Sisi medial, medial side. No tensor fascia lata. Ya, no tensor fascia lata. So if you look at the lateral view, tensor fascia lata pars cranial we can show at the place at the cranial of the tensor fascia lata. This is tensor fascia lata. Okay, this is gluteus medius. This is gluteus superficial and biceps femoris. Okay, this is quadricep. Remember about this. So, ya, sartorius cranialis. Oke. Second, ya, sartorius divided into two part. No at the cap. Yeah. Cat not like this. Not divided like this. Okay. This is continuous. Okay, you understand it? We continue. Pectineus, ya, pectineus. Look at it. Dorsal sartorius and plantar gracilis. Okay. Please look at this. This is ya. This muscle. This muscle. This muscle is adductor. Ya. This is semimembran and this is semitendinosus. Hati-hati, be careful. Oke. Gracilis. Ya, gracilis. Okay. So, gracilis, fascia cruris reflected, and sartorius reflected up, reflected to lateral, ya, reflected to lateral. This is to up, ya, upside. So, look at this. This is pectineus. Ya, this is pectineus. Okay. This is tensor fascia lata. Remember? Ya. Good. Semimembranosus. Ya. Semimembranosus. Adductor. Pecti. Ya. This is what? Semitendinosus. Ya. Semitendinosus. Vastus medialis, part of the quadriceps femoris. Please be careful, quadriceps, not quadratus. Ya, part of the quadriceps femoris. Ya, just remember, quadriceps divided into vastus lateralis, rectus femoris, vastus intermedius, and vastus medialis. Ya. Ya. Quadriceps, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, vastus medius, rectus origo antil os coxae, vastus lateral, vastus inter and medial, ya, origo around of the caput femur, ya, caput femur. Remember about this. This is the different, yeah. This is the different. Neck of the femur caudally distally to middle of the caudal surface the femur. Okay. Insertio craniomedial surface of patella. Okay. This is quadriceps muscle. Okay. This is vastus medius. Yeah. This is rectus. Yeah. This is tensor fascia lata. Okay. Yeah. What is? What is?
Semimembranosus.
Yep. What is?
Semimembranosus.
Yep. What is?
Adductor.
Adductor. What is?
Pectineus.
Pectineus. Okay, alhamdulillah. You get it. Okay. Ya. Okay. If you found the question, what the different dorsal aspect, ya, dorsal aspect of the femur region, dog and good. What the answer? First, located of tensor fascia lata, ya. Good around see at the medial, ya. Dog, dog, Sartorius, Sartorius, astagfirullahaladzim. Ya. Sartorius pas kranial, ya. Located of tensor fascia lata, dog, ya. Okay, just this the answer. Only this. Okay, you understand? Around. So you can found tensor fascia lata at lateral and medial. Ya, lateral and medial good. Yeah, but if the dog only sartorius, please at this side, okay? Sartorius, pas cranial. Okay, we continue. Psoas mayor, ya, psoas mayor. Remember tomorrow, yesterday, yang kemarin ya, next week, last week, ya, last week. You know, profunda side of the iliacus lateralis, ya, and placed by psoas mayor. Ya, remember this, that the musculus iliopsoas, ya, terbagi menjadi iliacus lateralis and psoas mayor. Oke ya, this is ini iliacus. Ya, this is iliacus. Ya, psoas minor, more dorsal. Ya, the body of the first lumbar and ending the fifth lumbar. Okay. Now we learn about the muscle who have a function rotasi hip joint. Ya, hip joint. So look at this. Origin ischium. This is ischium. Don't forget. This is pubis. And this is foramen obturatoria. Ya, foramen obturatoria. True. This is trochanter mayor. Acetabulum, ya, acetabulum and caput, ya, caput. This is trochanter mayor. Ya, trochanter mayor. So remember fossa trochanterica and crista intertrochanterica. Ya, fossa trochanterica and crista intertrochanterica. What does muscle? Quadratus femoris, obturator external, obturator internal, and gemellus. This is foramen obturator. The muscle who close, ya, the foramen inside part of the pelvis cavity we call obturator internus. This is, ya, obturator internus. This is the ligament or tendo. Sorry, not ligament, tendo. Tendo musculus obturator internal. And the apa nak ya namanya nak? Yang berlawanan, di sisi yang berlawanan. Apa? The other side. Ya, the other side. So if this is cavum pelvis, this is cavum pelvis. Ya, this is cavum pelvis. This is foramen obturatio and gini, like this. Ya, like this. This is foramen musculus obturator internus. But in here, foramen obturator external. So this is the tendo. Where is my mouse? Oh, sorry. This is the tendo. Yeah, this is the tendo. Okay, and then this is gemellus. This is gemellus, yeah, gemellus. This is gemellus. Okay, this is gemellus. And where is the place, location of quadratus femoris? Where is the location? You know, in here, in here. Okay. Where is the quadratus femoris? Di mana? Di mana posisi dari quadratus femoris? Not quadriceps femoris. Please be careful. Di mana? Are you working? Nice.
Gemellus.
Ya. Ya, benar. Di mananya gemellus quadratus femoris?
Jadi nomor 3, Dok.
Iya, yang saya tanyakan adalah di mana posisi quadratus femoris? Ini kan belum ada di sini. Kan belum ada di sini. Ya kan? Ya kan? Padahal ada 4 seharusnya. Seharusnya ada 4. Quadratus, eksternal, internal, gemellus. Saya tanya, di mana posisi quadratus femoris? Di sini tidak nampak. Di mana? Posisinya ada di distal dari gemellus. That's why we can found the muscle in here. Ya, kita nggak bisa lihat. Because this muscle look from dorsal part, from dorsal view. Oke. Oke. Remember ya? Remember ya? Diingat-ingat. Ya. Semimembran, adductor, in lateral side, in here you found quadratus femoris. After that you found musculus gemellus. And the top side gluteus profundus. Please remember about that. Ya. Udah ya, semua bisa mengerti, bisa paham? Ya, bisa paham ya? Oke, saya berharap nilaimu bagus di sini ya. Canalis femoralis structure. Canalis femoralis structure saluran, kanal is saluran in Indonesian bahasa. Kanal di dalam ya. Terus this is muscle, and this is canal. Ya, this is canal. Because this at the femoral region so called canalis femoralis. Cranial sartorius ya. Cranial sartorius. Caudal pectineus. Lateral iliopsoas ya. And vastus medialis. Ya. medial, gracilis, and fascia femoralis medialis. Content, artery vena femoralis, nervus saphenous, only host. Liponodul inguinalis profundus, only host. Oke. Please be careful about this. Ya, perhatikan baik-baik ya kondisi ini. Interruptive at the proximal of the sartorius make this side is empty. Oke. Ya, oke. Nah, this side ya, this side you found or locus of the artery femoralis. This side. So artery femoralis ya, artery femoralis, artery not vena, artery femoralis superficially. Ya, superficial. And you can feel this. And call pulse. Ya. But be careful, not all of animal you can find the pulsus at the canalis femoralis. Ya, only small ruminant, dog, cat, ya, horse, cow, pig, no. You can feel this. Ya, you can feel this. This is ya, can be palpated. Why? Because artery femoralis so superficialis. This is kurang ya, not canalis femoralis, but arteria femoralis at the separated of proximal sartorius. Ya, proximal sartorius. Like this ya. Di sartorius. Nah, this is arteri femoralis. Oke. Oke, patologik ya, patologik. You should know about hernia femoralis. Ya. Hernia femoralis is intestine entry to canalis femoralis. Ya. Entry to canalis femoralis. So you call hernia femoralis. Ya. Hernia inguinalis. Oke. Just like this. Ya. Just like this. Ya. This is abdomen. Ya. This is femoral. So in here canalis femoralis. But this area, you found inguinalis ring. Ya, inguinalis ring. And they continue to scrotum. Okay, if the intestine entry to this place, so we call hernia inguinalis. Ya, we call hernia inguinalis. Hernia analis, ya, anal is anus. Ya, analis anus. So hernia analis, mucosa of anal, why out to outside, why to outside. Ya, kalau di dalam bahasa Indonesia namanya ambient. I don't know if the what call it in English. Ya, ambient. Hernia perianal, ya. Hernia perianal indok, ya. Male, old. Ya. Dog, male, old. Remember, this is, ya, this is tuber sacrum, ya, tuber sacrum. This is tuber ECE, and what is ligamentum, sacrotuberosum. Ya, remember in dog, ya, in dog, ligamentum sacrotuberosum strip like ligament. Ya, seperti pita, strip like ligament. So this is empty. Okay, you get it? Paham? Ya, empty. And this side filled by fat. Ya, filled by fat. So if the dog push too hard, ya, kalau dia mendorong, biasanya karena ada obstruksi di kandung kemih, dia mendorong terlalu kuat, intestine push to back of the bottom. Jadi dia akan ada di belakang, di sebelahnya anus. Dia ada di pantat. Ya, dia ada di pantat. Jadi kenapa pada anjing? Karena ligamentum sacrotuberosumnya pita, like strip ligament. Kenapa jantan? Why at the male dog? Because in female, ya, pada yang betina, this close by uterus. Ya, close by uterus. Ya, close by uterus. And why old? Because all of structure, anatomical structure is weak. Ya, weak. So functionless. Oke, you get it? Paham adik-adik? Mengerti ya? Paham, benar ya? Yang lain-lain ya? Sarves, Akmal, Arunes, are you understand me? Oke. Please. Ya, harus berjanji ya. Kalau mengerti, bisa menjawab besok ujiannya. Ya? Bisa menjawab. Oke. We continue. Nerve system. First, obturatorius, ya. Obturatorius continue from ventral branch of the fifth lumbal. Ya. Nerve together with the femoral. Oh, I see. I'm forgot about this. I'm forgot. Okay. This is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Where is my? Look at this. What is? Ini apa ini? This is the cutting. Apa ini? This is what is? Sar? Sartorius ya. Sartorius muscle. Remember? Like this. Astagfirullahaladzim. Like this. Ya. Like this. Masih ingat ya? This is interrupted. Ya kan? Ya. Terpecah, interrupted. So, nerve at the top side of the sartorius ya, yang ada di atas sartorius sebelum masuk ke canalis femoralis ya. Canalis femoralis ya. In here you call artery you call nerve femoral nerve. Femoral nerve. But if this nerve inside to canalis femoralis, you call saphenous nerve. Ya. Jadi kalau sebelum dia masuk ke dalam canalis femoralis, before this nerve inside to canalis femoralis, we call femoral nerve. But if this nerve at the canalis or inside canalis femoralis, we call saphenous nerve. Oke, you get it? Paham ya? Second hal yang harus Anda garis bawahi adalah muscular branch for the adductor, pectineus, and gracilis muscle. Ya, gracilis muscle. Why? Because like this. Ya, if the obturatorius nerve is damaged, ya, adductor function fail. Ya, adductor function is fail. Ya. Oke. We continue. Femoral nerve is the strongest and the continuation of the ventral branch. Ya. Lumbal 5. Easily identified because it will go. Ya. So not inside the canalis femoralis. Oke. Saphenous appears along the caudal border of the sartorius. Ya, near the distal third on the medial aspect of the thigh, sepertiga. Ya. Ya. Oke. Vascular system. Ya. Oke. Any question? Any question? Ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Tidak ya? Tidak. Oke, belum ya. Vascular system now. Arteri iliaca eksternal. Arteri iliaca eksternal ya arise from. So this is ya aorta abdominal. Ya, aorta abdominal. Ventral to 6 lumbar vertebrae. Ya, 6 lumbar vertebrae. Chief branch, first artery circumflexa iliaca profunda and artery femoralis profunda, or the deep circumflex iliac arteria and the deep femoral arteria. Oke. This is Latin, ya, Latin, bahasa Latin ya, Latin language. This is arteri iliaca externa, ya, arteri externa. This is aorta abdo, ya, aorta abdominalis, and the branch, ya, the branch is arteri circumflexa iliaca profunda and this part, ya, arteria femoralis profunda. Arteri iliaca externa continue, ya, continue inside to the canalis femoralis and become arteri femoralis. Arteri circumflexa iliaca profunda, please remember, ya, ingat-ingat ya. Superficial of the subiliac lymphnodule, ya, and out to lateral through musculus iliacus and gluteus medius muscle. Fiber of sorry, not good. Terus to why? Kenapa nggak bisa dihapus? Oke. Ya. Through to fiber muscle of gluteus medius and iliacus lateral. Ya, jadi dia itu menembus serat-serat otot dari gluteus medius dan iliacus lateralis menuju ke lateral. Ya, menuju ke lateral. Oke. Arteri femoralis profunda, ya, arteri femoralis profunda itu go to cavum pelvis or at the inguinal region. Ya, inguinal region. This is the dog, ya. This is dog. Iliaca externa. Iliaca externa. Ya. Iliaca externa. Femoralis profunda. Ya. And truncus pudendo epigastricus. Ya, truncus pudendo epigastricus. This is the branch of femoralis profunda. Ya, number 4, branch of the femoralis profunda. Artery circumflexa femoris medialis. Ya, artery circumflexa femoris medialis. This is the theory. Deep femoral artery or artery femoralis profunda arise from the external iliac artery near the cranial border of the pubis. Ya, of the pubis. This is pubis. Ya, this is pubis. Ya, pass ventral to the pecten ossis pubis. Remember this? Ingat ini? Apa ini? What is pecten ossis pubis? Pertemuan, ya, the mid area of the pubis sinister and dexter. Ya, so this is location cranial of pubis. Ya, cranial of pubis. Ya, and this vessel more developed in the female than male. Why? Because remember, glandula mami for milk. Ya, for milk production. So they need more nutrisi, and itu sebabnya why the apa ini namanya, branch from femoralis profunda is more bigger, more developed than male. Ya, the chief branch are truncus pudendo epigastricus and artery circumflexa femoralis medialis. Okay, this is truncus pudendo epigastricus. Ya, go to inguinal region. Ya, go to inguinal region And this is artery circumflexa femoralis medialis. Note lateral, ya, at the lateral location, of the circumflexa femoralis medialis at least half of the caudal femoral aspect. Ya, caudal femoral aspect. Okay, please remember. Through the adductor, ya, between the opposite, ya, opposing faces of the semitendy and gluteal bicep. Sometimes adductor and semimembran. Ya, adductor and semimembran. Artery femoralis. Artery femoralis is the distal extension of the external iliac in the pelvic rib. So, just remember ya, aorta abdominalis, continue become artery iliaca externa and continue become artery femoralis. Ya. And then artery popliteal. This is not the branch, okay? This is not the branch. Aorta abdominalis become artery iliaca external, become artery femoralis at the region, at femoral region, and become artery popliteal at the popliteal region. Okay. Please, femoral triangle. Femoral triangle, if you read this femoral triangle is same. Sorry. Oke, sebentar.
Saya nyuwun saran saja. Kita masing-masing DPL
ya. Femoral triangle. This is.
Saya sudah komunikasi dengan.
Ya. This is femoral triangle. So this is location of the muscle. Yeah, but inside of this, femoral triangle, you found canalis femoralis, canalis femoralis. So if you read about femoral triangle, it mean setidak-tidaknya sama dengan Anda berbicara canalis femoralis. Canalis femoralis. Oke. Descent is the femoral canal. in company with the saphenous nerve, cranial and femoral vein caudally. Cranially nervus saphenous, this is. Yeah, this is. And caudally vena femoralis. Okay, it continues, ya, become, ya, arteri popliteal. The chief branch, ya, the chief branch, first femoralis lateralis, the lateral circumflex femoral, and then saphenous, and then genocularis descendens, and femoralis caudalis, ya, femoralis caudalis. Nah, remember this is the dog, ya. Be careful about this. Okay. Iliaca eksternal, ya. Nah, continue become femoralis. Ya, continue become femoralis. Okay. And then look at this. This is calcis. Ya. This is calcis. This it plantar. Okay. So look at this. Circumflexa femoralis lateralis, ya, circumflexa femoralis lateralis, ya. They go to the cranial aspect, ya. In here, ya, in here, ya. Ya, arteri circumflexa iliaca profunda. Ya. Be careful with this. Ya, hati-hati dengan ini. Arteri circumflexa iliaca profunda, ya, between the fiber muscle, between gluteus medius and iliacus lateralis. But if the artery circumflexa femoral lateralis, quadriceps. Ya, hati-hati. Jadi kalau lebih ke anterior, ya, lebih ke depan, daerah circumflexa iliaca profunda. Tapi kalau di antara rectus femoris and vastus lateralis, dia keluar dari situ, ya, arterinya keluar dari situ, dia adalah arteri circumflexa femoris lateralis. Hati-hati, karena semuanya posisinya ada di depan. Ya, ini genu, this is patella, ya, ini patella, ya, ini patella, ya. Maka this, ya, vessel go to patella, genu, and descends. So descending genicular. Ya. So 1, 2, ya. This is saphenous. Ya, saphenous. Long, slender. Ya, together with saphenous nerve. Ya, this is saphenous. 3. But please look at this. Include ya. Include arteri femoralis, branch, adik kakinya, ya. Arteri circumflexa femoris lateralis, arteri saphenous, saphena ya, arteri genucularis descendens, and arteri femoralis caudal. Ya. Be careful about this. In dog. Ya. In dog. Ya, in dog. Arteri in dog ya. Arteri femoralis. Arteri circumflexa femoralis lateralis, arteri saphena, arteri genucularis descendens, arteri femoralis caudalis proximal, medial, and distal. Ya, perbedaan antara dog dan ruminansia. Ya, hati-hati. Oke. Nah, this is good in your lab. Ya, kita punya ini di lab kita. What is muscle? What is? Sartorius, ya. This is arteri femoralis, ya. This is arteri femoralis, and then become arteri circumflexa iliaca, arteri circumflexa femoralis lateralis, ya. This is tensor fascia lata, this is quadriceps femoris, ya. Quadriceps femoris, ya. And this is patella, ya, patella. So it's genu, ya, genucularis descendens, ya. This is femoralis caudalis. This is slender, thin, small arteria saphena. Okay, you understand? Paham ya, Nak ya? Ya. Ini semi membran. Oke. This is gastrocnemius. Ya. This is adductor. Ya. This is gracilis. Ya. Gracilis. Oke, paham ya nak ya? Oke. Ah, this is so hard if you imagine this image, but you should try to image this this image. Okay, arteri femoralis ya, arteri femoralis ya, arteri femoralis caudalis, and this is become arteri popliteal ya, popliteal region ya, popliteal region. Okay. This is a muscular branch of the nervi tibialis, yeah. This is nervi tibialis, and this is peroneal communis, common peroneal nerve, nervus peroneal communis. Ya, if you look at the lateral side, kalau kita lihat dari sisi lateral, ya, yang tampak di depan itu adalah nervus peroneus communis. Sedangkan nervus tibialisnya masuk di antara gastrocnemius. Tapi karena ini medial side ya. Medial side. So, yang kita lihat justru nervus tibialisnya. Bukan nervus peroneusnya. Ya, ngerti ya? Oke. Ada yang ingin ditanyakan sampai di sini? Oke, tidak. Kita ketemu lagi minggu depan. Faiz,